video, and I'm really excited. I've been indecisive actually about this hair. I don't know if I want to put this hair in. It is the Equal Premium Integration Brazilian Bundle Wave in 18 inches. I don't know if I want to do a sew-in, a quick weave, or just get another wig because I want to do tail ends. I'm really into like the colored ends. I was thinking about getting tails, so I don't know. Let me know in the comment box below what I should do, but most likely this is going to be one of the choices. Like I said, it's the Brazilian Bundle Wave, and it does come with one bundle in this pack and a closure at the bottom, and then another bundle in this pack and a closure on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see how the hair looks right out the pack. And this is by the company Model, and I always get my hair in a 1. If I do get the base is always a 1, and then the tips will be different colored, but you guys know me and my dark black hair. I love it. So it's out the pack. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back, and that's the one I had before. That's the hair I have actually right now, is the red tips, and this one is just the black. So as you guys can see, the hair that's on, and it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can, like I said, flat iron it, curl it, anything like that. Wash it just like how you would your normal hair, shampoo, conditioner, things like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off so you guys can see. You guys can see this is like brand new. I have not even taken out the pack yet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair out, and I'm gonna take the little net off so you guys could get a good look, and all the info right there. And this hair is super soft looking right out the pack. Go run my fingers through it. 18-inch bundle. You guys can look up the webs right here. And let me see how it smells. It just smells like weave. It doesn't have a bad smell. It just smells like hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the little closure off. This little piece, you guys. So when my mom makes my wig, she usually cuts some of the hair off of the bundle and joins it into this, because this is really not gonna be enough unless you want like a little closure, but she usually adds onto this and just makes the closure like that, and she sews it together like that. So that's pretty much probably what I'm going to be doing. I'm pretty sure in my mind that I'm going to make this into a quick weave. I'm not going to make it. My mom, she offered last weekend, but I couldn't find the other pack. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get this in a quick weave. So that's just the first bundle. And the thing I like about this hair is that it is heat friendly, but remember that it is synthetic, so the life is not going to be as long as obviously if you would get like a human hair wig or weave. But if you guys, I will link below my video about how to bring your synthetic wigs or weaves back to life, because I know how to make my hair last. So yeah, really love this. And I don't want to confuse you guys, this hair actually is human synthetic blend. So let me disclaimer before you guys think like, oh my gosh, this is the only synthetic. No, if it was pure synthetic, I'm pretty sure you guys couldn't use hot tools on it. But yeah, it is a synthetic human hair blend. And I will be installing both bundles and both closures, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have some hair left over. Just like when my mom made me this wig, we did have some hair left over in another pack, so that was really good. Plus if you have a small head like me, 2 packs is a whole head. Like even certain packs like this, I can do a whole head in like one bundle. Yes, I'll make it work. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. The curl pattern, it is wavy, and this hair does come in different colors. You guys can see right here has all the colors. If you guys want red, if you guys want blonde, if you guys want any different kinds, all colors, you guys know me. So let me know, should I just go back to black or should I get my tail tips for summer? Comment in the comment box below. And if you guys would like to see this, if I do install it, you guys, it's up in there between this and the tail hair. I don't know what to do, but if you guys do choose for me to get this, if I decide to get this quick weave, let me know if you guys would like to see a review on the hair, how it's installed, how it looks, how I style it, things like that. Also comment in the comment box below. That's it for this video. Leave any comments or concerns about this hair below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.